So it's good. What you got right there?
A little something. Just got this puppy right here. The new turbo. That's about it. Replacing that blown turbo I have. Just gotta put it together. I got all the hardware. Hardware here to put it together for the oil. Yeah, man. So she was still on half now. But I'm hoping I could just use this. I'm not sure if it's the same thread pitch, but if it is, then I'm set.
That's it?
Yeah. And then I hope the bottom one is the same too. I think. Then I gotta make sure the downpipe is the same size. It looks to be the same size actually. Do I look good on camera at least?
You look sexy.
Stop.
Hi.
Hey man.
No.
I think this is bigger actually. This is a 63. So it's supposed to spool quicker. And I'm just hoping. Oh yeah. So these are the same, so downpipe's definitely gonna fit.
What if it didn't?
I would be so mad. Cause
You
then I have to go to a
wait,
shop. Yeah, I have to go to a shop, have them cut this, and then get the right size for it. Or get a whole downpipe.
So did you make sure that it was the same size? Did you measure it?
Nope.
You just hoping and praying?
Yeah.
Wasn't it based on the car?
Nope. Universal. So you see, I was getting impatient. I messaged the seller. He wasn't responding. So then I just looked at it and I was like,
That looks about right.
yeah. I saw it was a 63. I was like, well, I hope the wideband is a 3-inch.
Yeah. What's the plan?
Well, probably gonna put it together right now.
Right now?
This is how it should. Oh no, I lied. It's gonna sit like this. So this is the return line where the oil comes out. So it always has to be on the bottom. So that means this is gonna have to be clocked this way. This always has to be straight down because the oil goes from the top into the turbo and then comes out to go straight back to the oil pan.
Yeah, good.
And this is made to keep it in place. Man, this is so nerve-wracking, like a camera, big ass camera right in front of me.
Or tomorrow?
Depends how dark it gets. Well, it also depends if, remember how I told you the fitting on the top?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so if that fits, then yeah, I'm gonna start it today. If not, I'm gonna have to go tomorrow, all over the place, hoping the shops are open to get that fitting. Cause I don't know how this virus is affecting the shops. I don't trust myself to order it online. Bro. So now to do the top one.
You wear all your
Come on.
I don't like when you put me in this
Predicament.
What's that word? Predicament? Predicaments. Tomato. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. This was pretty much an unboxing and putting the turbo together. Probably the next vid, you'll see me installing it and hopefully turning it on and taking it for a spin.